As you turn the page of today and face the infinite demands of tomorrow, how will you distinguish your product, expand your enterprise, and forge your own path in the landscape of print? One thing is certain: the pages of tomorrow will be printed by HP Indigo technology. It all starts with 1 micron of unlimited potential. These encapsulated pigment particles form HP Indigo electro inks. Their unique structure makes them pigment agnostic, enabling you to print with the largest variety of colors and spot inks digital printing has ever seen. When you press print, a laser array composes your image as an invisible electrostatic field on the photo imaging plate. This operation provides a roadmap for the electrically charged inks and has been scientifically engineered for razor-sharp accuracy, allowing each particle to be attracted to where it belongs and away from where it doesn't. The precisely placed ink is then transferred in direct contact onto a heated blanket, which melts the pigment-carrying particles into a smooth film. With every color separation, this thermal offset process is repeated, laying down a perfect tapestry of electro ink until your image is fully developed. The blanket then applies this single layer of film to your media in one piece, already dry and custom tailored to match every contour on the surface of your substrate, from coated paper to metallized to canvas. Because the electro inks have been transferred in direct contact at every step, the result is unmatched, and coverage and substrate have virtually no effect on quality, even at the highest speeds. This state-of-the-art print engine is built on the remarkably robust backwards-compatible infrastructure found in every HP Indigo press, offering you genuine digital flexibility capable of outputting thousands of jobs per day and propelling you into Industry 4.0 by providing real-time data analysis and optimizing press performance through HP Print OS, a cloud-based platform that simplifies and automates production. And you can put your mind at ease, knowing that all HP Indigo presses are engineered with the environment in mind to reduce waste, provide safe inks, and minimize your energy consumption. HP Indigo technology carries you into the next chapter of digital printing, one that isn't bound by gamut, coverage, substrate, or speed. One that gives you the agility to innovate more engaging products with endless variations for the highest value jobs at any run length. From business cards and direct mail, to photo books and publishing, to labels, folding cartons and flexible packaging. In white and fluorescent, on black and metallic, on the shelves and in our homes, the profits of tomorrow will be printed by HP Indigo technology.